Hi, my name is Dylan Savage of Worth Law Office, and I work here in the Oklahoma City office. All right, today we are going to be talking about child support and how it is calculated. So, the actual calculation is done in an Excel sheet that is provided by Child Support Services, the actual department in the state of Oklahoma. They provide that Excel sheet to just the general public on their website. In that Excel sheet, what your attorney is going to do is just simply plug in the numbers. And those numbers include your gross monthly income, so before taxes, your income, as well as the other parties. And it's just, if there are multiple jobs, it's going to cover all of it. If there is disability, it's going to cover that for purposes of child support. Pretty much anything and everything that you have for your gross monthly income, it's going to be put in there. Same thing for the other party. Childcare costs, whether it's split between the parties or one party themselves covers it all, that's put in the computation. Occasionally, they have the spot for it, but unless there is excessive travel, they have a portion for travel. So if you're having to drive out all the way to drop your child off to the other party, they will take that into account. If you're paying for the health insurance for your child, that's going to be taken into account. If you are an individual that is already paying for child support for other children in another case, they will consider that. That is put into that case. If you have other children in your home, stepchildren, they will consider that as well. It will decrease or increase child support. So they take a lot into account. It is very comprehensive. Again, if you want to look that over in more detail, you can go to the Child Support Services, Oklahoma Child Support Services website, and you can actually look at that computation yourself. So it is very comprehensive. It goes across the board. They take into account every piece of information about your life. If this video has helped you in any way, or you believe it may help someone else, please do not hesitate to call our office and we can help you out in any way you might need. Our phone number is going to be 405 888 5400. Again, that's 405 888 5400.